If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If you subscribe to a QuickBooks Online payroll service, QuickBooks Online prompts you to add employees as part of the payroll setup process. You can also add employees after that, as shown in the earlier lesson titled Adding Employees to the Employees List from the Using Pages and Lists chapter. To edit the employee information after that, hover over the Payroll link in the navigation bar, and then click the Employees link in the side menu that appears to open the Employees page. Then click the name of the employee to edit within the Employees list in the Employees page. If you haven't yet run a payroll, then doing this reopens their Add Employee window, which is the same window into which you entered their information when you initially added them. If you have run a payroll, then the Employee Details tab of the employee appears. Click the pencil icon next to either their pay, profile, or employment sections to open a window that shows that information within a tab of the same name. Note that within this window, you can also click the tab names to switch between them and edit any information as needed. When finished, click the Done button in the lower right corner of the window to save your changes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.